Hey my enchanters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Stephanie here on YouTube. I'm stephNchanted. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to click the link down below. Just click on subscribe. Please subscribe if you like my content, if you guys want to see more of my videos. And please help me get to 1,000 subscribers, because once I hit that milestone, I will be doing a big giveaway here on my channel. So share it with all your friends, your family, your neighbors, anybody you know. Share it with them, and please help me get to that milestone. Now for today's video, I will be doing a first impressions. I actually, a couple of weeks ago, I got my first real PR from like a big company, and I was so excited. I actually did an unboxing on my Instagram stories. If you don't follow me, be sure to follow me on Instagram at stephNchanted. But yeah, like I was just so like overwhelmed with emotion once I saw that I got this in the mail. So a big shout out to Pixi. Thank you so much for sending me this. And I love their packaging. The packaging was bomb. Like it came in this beautiful box. It says Pixi right here, and it comes with like a little lock and key, which is actually locked. You get this key and you unlock it, and then inside, on one side was the skincare, and the other side was some lippies. And so what I got is this. It's the Pixi Rose Caviar Essence and Rose Flash Balm. And then I also got 5 of their matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. And so in this video, I'm going to do my first impressions of the skincare and one of the lippies. And so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And without further ado, let's just get into it. So I will be doing a first impression on the skincare and on the liquid lipsticks. So let's just get into it. First, I'm going to start off with the Rose Caviar Essence. It says it's a moisture serum. It says it can be used for morning and night. Directions are: after cleansing and toning, press gently onto skin, neck, and décolletage, and let absorb. It smells really nice. It has a nice rose scent, but it's nothing overpowering. Next, I'm going to be using the Rose Flash Balm. It says an instant skin booster. It says to be used also at morning and at night. It says to use as a treatment primer, which I am. I'm using it as that. It says apply thin layer to face and neck after cleansing. Do not rub. Follow with foundation if desired. It can also be used as a mask. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. So again, it has like a nice floral scent. It's nothing overpowering. Like I can smell it on my hands, but I can't smell it on my skin while I'm wearing it. So that's good if you're sensitive to smell like I am. Now, because there are 5 lippies to choose from, I had a little trouble picking one, but I think I'm gonna go with Evening Rose, which looks like this. I do like their wand. You guys can see it has like a petal, like the form of a petal. It's really thin on the top, and then it gets thicker on the bottom. Whoa. See how pigmented that is? Just one swipe. So for first impressions, I do love the skincare. I think they both smell really nice. I love the rose smell. Like I said before, the scent isn't overpowering. Once you have it on your skin, you don't really smell it anymore, which I do like because I am a little sensitive to scents. So I don't mind that, and I like the way they feel. This one, the serum just really melts into your skin. It had like a cooling effect on me. I'm not sure if anybody else has had that effect. And the balm, I do like they can use it as a mask as well. And I will say this, like using these two on my skin before makeup has really made a difference with my makeup application. One thing that I really noticed was with my contour, my bronzer. I don't know why, but usually on this side, on my right side, it comes out a little bit more patchy than on my left side. But after using these products, I didn't have that problem applying it. I mean, the only thing I've changed in my makeup routine is using these two products on my skin before makeup application. So I'm pretty sure it has to do with these two. So I do like that. I'm going to be wearing it throughout the whole day. It is, well, it's 2:36 right now. If you guys can see, it's 2:36. I am going to be coming back towards the end of the night and showing you what my skin looks like after, you know, wearing it for X amount of hours. I will say that about the lipstick, I do like it because, like, if you see my reaction with one swipe, it had so much pigmentation. It is really pigmented. I do like the color. I think it's a perfect, it's still a nude color, but has more of like a berry tone to it. I do like that because I think it's still, like, it's still wearable for every day. I will say I'm not too sure about the applicator because I thought I was going to like it because of how it's shaped. Like I said before, it is tapered towards the end, so it's thinner, and it goes a little bit wider towards the bottom. I thought it would be perfect for, like, lining my lips, but I did have a little trouble with it because it is a little flimsy. I don't know if you guys can see this, but, like, even if I just move it like this, like, I'm not even putting a lot of pressure on it. I'm just going like this. Like, I'm not even putting a lot of pressure on it. The only thing I'm moving is this one, is the applicator, and it's not even a lot of movement. Like, I'm not even, like, moving it a lot, and it's still, like, you can see how flimsy it is. So I did have trouble, like, lining my lips. So that's the only downfall I have about this one so far. I do think it's a beautiful color. I do like the formula. Like, it's not drying or anything like that. Like, it's already dried on my lips, but it's not, like, I don't feel like it's drying out my lips, if you know what I mean. I'll see you guys towards the end of the day and show you what my makeup looks like and give you my final first impressions. Hey guys, so it is 9:26. Yeah, so I've had my makeup on for about 7 hours, and I haven't touched up on anything. I haven't touched up anything on my face, on my lips, or anything like that. So this is how it looks after 7 hours. I will say that I can still see, like, my bronzer, my contour, my highlight, things like that. Like, the foundation, it did, like, come out a little bit right here. But I feel like that's normal for me. Like, the one difference that I do see, like I mentioned earlier when I did my makeup, is that on this side it's less patchy than what it normally is. I will say that the lips did come off. As you can tell, like this side, this right here is still on. But I did eat, like, I ate some cake. And then we went out to eat, so I did eat, like, salad, and then I had my entree and things like that. So as you can see, like right here, it's still outlined with the lippy. I love the skincare. I love this scent. I love how it feels. I love how it makes my makeup look. I'm really in love with these two. This is, like, the first time that I'm trying out this brand. I've never tried anything from Pixi, I believe. Yeah, I don't think I've ever tried anything from Pixi. And so this is my first time trying these, and I'm really, really in love with these two. I'm going to keep using them. Even if I don't wear makeup, I'm still going to be using them because I just love how it makes my skin feel. I love how fast it absorbed into my skin. And so, yeah, I'm really loving these. And for the lippy, the Evening Rose shade, I love the color. The one, like, big con I have of this product is the applicator. Like I said before, it's too flimsy for me. I do like the applicator for filling in because I feel like it's big enough for it to just fill in my whole lip with one swipe, but not so much for lining the lips. I would suggest using, like, a lip brush to line the lips and then use an applicator to fill it in. But yeah, those are my final thoughts on these products. I know that there are, like, 4 other lippies that I need to try, but I'm sure I'm gonna love them because they're, like, in, like, the same family color range. They're, like, nudes, pink nudes. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what your favorite Pixi products are so I can go pick them up and try them out for myself. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.